Hello, good morning everyone. Let's start with new example ClF3 in which there is bond pair as well as lone pair is present, and we study the shape of that molecule chlorine trifluoride with the help of hybridization. Chlorine trifluoride, Cl atomic number is 17, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p5. Chlorine have 3 fluorine atoms, so we need 3 unpaired electron. 3 unpaired electron होने चाहिए. ओके. ग्राउंड स्टेट इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कन्फिग्रेशन की अगर हम बात करते हैं, थ्री एस, 3p, 1 2 1 2 3 4 5. There is only one unpaired electron in ground state. Ground state have only one unpaired electron. इसके साथ हम 3D और ड्रा कर देते हैं. Okay. So in the ground state only one chlorine atom, one fluorine atom can form with chlorine atom. But we have to add to form. But in the case of the chlorine trifluoride, 3 fluorine atom are covalently bonded to the chlorine atom. So there is an promotion of electron or excitation of electron from ground state to the excited state or 3p to 3d orbital. Three s, one, two, three, 4, 5. Okay, px, py, pz. So that means one fluorine is bonded here, one fluorine is bonded here, and one fluorine is bonded here, and 2 is lone pair. So in ClF3 there is 2 lone pair and 3 bond pair. That means 1s plus 3p 1d combines to form 5sp3d hybrid orbital, and these 5sp3 hybrid orbital adopts trigonal bipyramidal geometry. And the 2 lone pair are present at the equatorial position. This one is the chlorine in the ground state, and this one is the chlorine in their excited state. In ground state there is only one unpaired electron, and in the excited there is 3 unpaired electron, and 3 fluorine atom easily covalently bonded to that 3 unpaired electron, and these 2 lone pair electron, one from 3s and one from 3p. So simply there is a trigonal bipyramidal geometry in the case of sp3d hybridization. The 2 lone pair are present at the equatorial position. To minimize the repulsion and for the stability of the molecule. So this one is the case of the chlorine trifluoride. Okay. So next case is XeF2, xenon difluoride. ओके, जिनोन डाइफ्लोराइड की अगर हम बात करते हैं, उसकी शेप तो लीनियर है, बट ज्योमेट्री कैसी है, ट्राइगोनल, बाइपिरामिडल, और हाइब्रिडाइजेशन क्या है, sp3d, and the three lone pair are present at the three equatorial positions. जिनोन की आउटर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कन्फिगरेशन की अगर हम बात करते हैं तो वो क्या है, 5s2 5p6, 5s2 5p6. That means in the ground state there is no unpaired electron. In ground state no unpaired electron. Okay, so that means in the ground state no xenon is covalent, no xenon can form covalent bond with fluorine atom. Yes, simply we can say that fluorine cannot form bond with xenon in their ground state electronic configuration. So the electron is excited from 5p to 5d, and in that case there is two unpaired electron, and with these two unpaired electron by mutual sharing the two fluorine atom easily form covalent bond, and three lone pair is present in the equatorial position of the trigonal bipyramidal geometry to minimize the repulsive forces, and the two fluorine atom are at the axial position. Okay. This is the case of the XeF2. Now जिनोन टेट्राफ्लोराइड की अगर हम बात करते हैं, जिनोन टेट्राफ्लोराइड, in that case the two electron are excited in ground state, two excited state from 5p to 5d orbital, 1 2, and 4 unpaired electron. That means here is 1s 3p and 2 5d orbitals combined to gives 5 sp3 hybrid orbital, 5 sp3 d2, and these 5 sp3 hybrid orbital adopt octahedral geometry. Okay, and in the octahedral geometry the two lone pair are present at the above and below, or we can say simply at axial position, and the geometry is scale planar, sorry, shape is scale planar. So xenon difluoride is linear and xenon tetrafluoride is scale planar. Okay, now last one is iodine heptafluoride, sorry, iodine pentafluoride. Iodine have same unpaired electron as in have fluorine, and the ground state electronic configuration of iodine is 5s2 5p5. The ground state electronic configuration of iodine is 5s2 5p5, 5s2 5p5, 1 2 3 4 5. There is total 5 unpaired electron. In IF5 we need 5 unpaired electron. So the 5 fluorine atom can form covalent bond with iodine atom, because in the center of iodine pentafluoride, there is an iodine. So there is an two electron are excited from the ground state to the excited state, or 5p to 5d orbital, or 5p to 5d orbital. Now we have 5 unpaired electron for the 5 fluorine atom. That means 1s plus 3p and 2d orbital combines to form 5sp3d2 hybrid orbital, and sp3d2 hybrid orbitals have octahedral geometry. Okay, have octahedral geometry. No, so sorry. 3, 4, 2. And there is an 6 sp3 d2 hybrid orbital, not 5. There is an 6 sp3 d2 hybrid orbitals. There is an 6 sp3 1 3 1 4 4 plus 2 6 6 sp3 d2 hybrid orbitals give octahedral geometry, and in octahedral geometry the one of the lone pair is present at the axial position, and one of the fluorine atom is present at the other axial position, and one of the lone pair is present at axial position, and other one of the fluorine atom is present at the other axial position, and 4 of the fluorine atom are present at the corner of a square, or we can say equatorial position, and give square pyramidal geometry. In the case the shape is the square pyramid, or actual geometry may be regarded as the square pyramid. एक्चुअल में जो ज्योमेट्री रहेगी वो स्क्वायर पिरामिडल रहेगी, जो उसकी शेप रहेगी वो स्क्वायर पिरामिडल रहेगी इन द केस ऑफ IF5 iodine pentafluoride due to the presence of the one lone pair and 5 bond pair, 1 2 3 4 5. यहाँ पे 1 lone pair है और 5 bond pair है. And one main points you can remember, when in the covalent molecules there is in presence of bond pair and lone pair. Okay, one important point, in the case of covalent molecules, covalent compounds, when the lone pair and bond pair is present, then the bond angle and the bond length is different. Bond length is different as compared to when there is no lone pair due to perfect ज्योमेट्री. जब लोन पेयर होगा तो उस केस में जो ज्योमेट्री रहेगी वो परफेक्ट नहीं रहेगी, डिस्टोर्टेड ज्योमेट्री रहेगी. उस केस में जो ज्योमेट्री रहेगी वो डिस्टोर्टेड ज्योमेट्री रहेगी जब लोन पेयर बॉन्ड पेयर दोनों होगा. बट जब बॉन्ड पेयर रहेगा, कोई भी लोन पेयर नहीं होगा, तो उस केस में जो ज्योमेट्री रहेगी वो परफेक्ट रहेगी. बॉन्ड एंगल एंड बॉन्ड लेंथ सेम रहेगी until unless the central atom not bonded to different atoms. Okay, when central atoms have same atoms, then the bond length is bond length of all the covalent bonded atoms will be same. Thank you.